Season 3 of Hibike Euphonium, Kumiko's last and final year. All the struggles she has faced and the challenges she has been through has led her to this very moment. We leave off with Kumiko becoming president, and we see her trying to get her footing down and getting used to her new role. She comes off startled and nervous when talking to the ensemble, and has a tough time trying to keep the ensemble under control. As she struggles with her new responsibilities, she finds herself doubting her leadership and questioning if she can live up to the expectations placed on her. This shift in focus from individual talent to the collective growth of the ensemble reflects Kumiko's evolving understanding of her role as president, even as she battles with her own self-doubt. The challenges Kumiko faces in her new position pushes her to grow and reevaluate what music and leadership means to her, setting the stage for a deeper meaning to her character, beyond just her musical ability. She now has to balance her responsibilities as president while also keeping up with playing the euphonium. Faced with the question, what does the ensemble mean to her? This season stands out compared to the previous two seasons for its lack of music. We don't get to see the sectional practices or music from the different competitions. It's usually skipped over and replaced with more dialogue from Kumiko. Although I do love the music the show provides, this isn't the focal point of the season. Rather than focusing on the music, it focuses on Kumiko herself and her struggle to find who she is. We already know Kumiko's a capable musician, but who is she? Who is she as a president? What career she wants to take? What type of person does Kumiko want to be? Who is she when she fails? In season 1, we see how in middle school she grew to not care about the concert band. How she was okay with a mediocre result as long as she did her part. She closes up and chooses to limit her expectations and become okay with mediocrity because she's scared of the unknown. She's scared to try her best, to reach for the stars because there's a chance that she'll fall flat. But over the past 3 canonical years, we see how much Kumiko has grown. We see what the euphonium means to her, how the euphonium is her hope, her reason to try and shoot for the stars. She opens up to failure and faces it head on over and over and over, just for that chance to be something special. She's always struggled with this tug of war between loving to play the euphonium and playing to get better, to get gold at nationals. She wants to be as good as Reina, be shoulder on shoulder with her, but in the end, she knows she isn't.
どうして謝ることなんて何もないじゃん。
違う私
一番目の方がうまいと思った。だから選んだ。レーナは間違って。違う
の。私分かってた。分かっていたの。分からないわけないでしょ。久美子の音を。
後悔してるの？
やっぱり久美子は性格悪い。
私も吹き終えてどこかで分かってた。本題じゃないって思い始めた時からの迷い、それがわずかでも音に出た。レーナはきっと聞き分けるって。そして一番を選ぶ。だってレーナは特別だから。きっと負けない。レーナは最後まで貫いたんだよ。私はそれが何より嬉しい。
ミコ、それを誇らしいって思う自分に胸を張りたい。でもそんなレイナだからクミコ実力で勝ちたかった。それで最後はレイナと来たかった。私
それは本心じゃないよ。本心じゃない。
こんなにも。それとこの気持ちは別です。クミコ、死ぬほど悔しい。私この気持ちも頑張って誇りにしたい。どんなに離れててもレイナと肩を並べられるように。
This moment is so breathtaking. The reveal that Reina knew Kumiko's sound and still couldn't bring herself to pick her, and Kumiko trying to come to terms, is so real, for lack of better words. It's the build-up to both of these characters' journey and where they split off. This whole moment is just so powerful. Kumiko's pride in her music and the promise that she made with Reina makes her not want the soli unless she feels like she's earned it. She's happy that Reina picked Mayu because Reina is special. Reina stays true to herself, her music. She will sacrifice everything just to achieve the best. And Kumiko wouldn't want the soli any other way. She can't cheat her performance. She knows who she is. But at the same time, she can't help but be jealous. Be upset at herself. Be upset that she isn't shoulder on shoulder with Reina, playing the soli with her. In the end, she says she wants to be proud of moments like this. Proud of who she is, as a musician and as a person, with or without the soli. Proud of how far she has come, how hard she has worked. So she can hold her head high and hold on to her pride that gives her a chance to see eye on eye with Reina to some degree. I view this song how I view Kumiko and her journey. The growth that she has gone through these past 3 years, all the ups and downs she has overcome. The clarinet and flute soli come in so soft and warm, but passionate and filled with emotion, just like Kumiko. The song takes us through a journey with moments of confidence and assurance, but also has moments of disclarity and uncomfort, which get resolved warmly. This song for me is Kumiko. The questioning of who she is, the journey that she has taken, and the reassurance that it was all worth it. Her emotions, her desire, her insecurities. She isn't one-dimensional. She can be bubbly and airy at times, but also has moments of warmth and timidness. Stepping away from situations and keeping a safe distance to avoid confrontation. But at the same time, there are these glimpses of desperation where she shows she isn't afraid. She screams out for what she's passionate about, yelling from the top of her lungs, desperately seeking for something special. This is why I love her as a character. She isn't too shy, too bubbly, or too loud. She feels real. She says things without thinking, blurting out what's on her mind. She speaks from her heart and isn't afraid. She gets upset at herself when she underperforms or doesn't meet expectations. She gets selfish and jealous of people who are better than her. She's honest, not only to others, but to herself and to her music. She doesn't want handouts. She wants to feel like she's earned something. She's passionate, she's warm, she's just a human. She isn't special like Reina, but that's okay. She's still proud of who she is, proud of how far she has come and the growth that she has had. She doesn't need to be special to play the euphonium. She just loves to play.